Good evening, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Hopefully it's been a really good Monday for you all, and it's the start of another week, a good week to invest. So basically today's video is not a portfolio update per se, but I'm going to be going through with you, as I thought it'd be quite a good topic to touch on, to be fair, just to show the reality of investing, how much profits I have made since I've started my free trade journey, how much I've invested, and obviously where my portfolio is at today. That's the first topic, and the second topic will be my stock watch list. I'm just going to be going over with you 3 stocks which I'll be looking to purchase in the near future, which I'll be keeping my eye on over the next 1 or 2 months. So yeah, let's just log into my free trade account for you now. And my portfolio is currently at £3,150, which is really good. Over the last day, it's shot up around £30 over the last 7 days. You can see the big jump where I invested my money, and the gradual little rises since then. But yeah, the big question that you all want to know, guys, is how much profit have I really made on this portfolio since I started investing? So as you can see on the activity tab, it says every time you make a top up into your account. So what I did is I went all the way back, had a look through every time I topped up my account, all the way back to March, which is when I made my first top up of £50. I went for every single one and noted down how much I'd put in, all the way to where I'm at today, which is my last one was £400. And I've invested £2,966, and as you can see, my portfolio is higher than that, which is straight away it's a good sign. But how much is that exactly? Well, I worked it out, and it's around about £180 profit on my investments, which is really quite good in around 5 months of investing. I think that's a really good rate. That's including dividends that I've received so far, which, to be honest, guys, they haven't been massive so far, which is to be expected at this point. But the growth of the share price is investing in good companies who will continue to grow. Any capital gains that I've received and appreciation. So yeah, that's really good, and obviously it was going to grow by another £20 next month, because I worked it out. That's how much I should receive in dividends for the next month. But yeah, it's really good, guys. So I'm hoping, obviously, to increase it more and more, and I'll check back with you probably once every maybe 3 months with this sort of video. But yeah, that's the first part of the video done, guys. So around £180 gain in profit, which is great. Okay, guys, so the next part is my stock watch list. And the first one I have on the list is Walmart. Obviously a giant USA retail company. They've been around, as you can see, since the 1950s. Over 2 million associates globally. Absolutely huge, guys. People did think it could have been the end of Walmart when Amazon burst onto the scene, but they've managed to ride the Amazon wave out. Yeah, the share price is currently $112. Let me work out what that would be in pounds. Which is, yeah, around £100, which is what I would have thought anyway. But yeah, guys, these are the first one on my stock watch list. They're up around 2% this month. As you can see, the stats for today's stock market, they've not really moved much today. A high of 112, nearly 113, and a low of 111. The next one that I have on my list is PepsiCo. And I know I do own Coca-Cola, which is their rivals, but I also really had my eye on these for quite a while. PepsiCo, massive company. Obviously, they've been around for 100 years, as it says there. A lot of brands, really, really growing all the time, and I really don't see these going anywhere anytime soon. The price is around $131, which will probably accumulate around £110, £120. They're down a bit on this month, but yeah, I'm keeping my eye on these ones, guys, just to try and see if I can get it at the best buying point possible. And the last one on my stock checklist, watch list, is obviously, you'll all know this one, Apple. Obviously, don't need to be told about Apple. Absolutely one of the biggest companies in the world, billion-dollar company. Yeah, obviously created by the late great Steve Jobs and the engineer Steve Wozniak. Yeah, they've obviously, as it says there, they revolutionised technology with the products such as their iPhone, the Mac, and the iPod. Also, obviously, today you can see the stats for the market. They've not really been too volatile. Opened at $208.46, a low of $208.44, and a high of $210.64. I think obviously they're up around 3% this month. I'm going to try and wait till they drop a little bit, but I'm not going to wait too long because it is better to be in the market than try and time the market per se. So yeah, that's it for today, guys, for my video. Please could you like this video and subscribe to my channel, please? I would really, really appreciate it, guys. Enjoy the rest of your evenings. Bye.